Namaste everyone and welcome back to Tech Talk with IIT IANS. I'm your host रोहन शर्मा. आज हम बात करेंगे एडवांस्ड पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग के बारे में.
Namaste and welcome to Coding Gurus. I'm your host Priya Sharma and आज हम बात करेंगे Advanced Python Programming के बारे में. Joining me today is Aryan Kapoor, a seasoned Python developer. Aryan, welcome to the show.
Namaste Priya, thank you for having me. I'm excited to dive into the world of advanced Python with all our listeners.
So Aryan, let's start with the basics. What exactly is Advanced Python Programming? Engineering students के लिए, can you break it down in simple terms?
Sure Priya, basic Python तो सबको पता है. Variables, loops, functions. Advanced Python is about using Python's more powerful features to write cleaner, more efficient, and more scalable code. Think of it as leveling up your Python skills. It involves things like decorators, generators, metaclasses, and a deeper understanding of data structures and algorithms.
Decorators, generators? ये तो थोड़ा complicated लग रहा है. Can you give us an example of where these are useful?
Definitely. Let's talk about decorators first. Imagine you have multiple functions and you want to add the same functionality to all of them, like logging or authentication. Instead of copying and pasting the same code into each function, you can use a decorator. A decorator is basically a function that takes another function as an argument and extends its behavior without modifying it explicitly. It promotes code reuse and keeps your code DRY. Don't repeat yourself.
Okay, that makes sense. So it's like wrapping an existing function with extra functionality. And generators?
Generators are special functions that produce a sequence of values using the !yield keyword. Unlike regular functions that return a single value and terminate, generators can be paused and resumed, retaining their state between calls. This is extremely useful when dealing with large datasets because generators generate values on demand, saving memory and improving performance. For example, you can use a generator to read a large file line by line without loading the entire file into memory.
Acha, so generators are memory efficient. That's great for handling big data. What about metaclasses? ये तो और भी advanced लगता है.
Metaclasses are classes of classes. In Python, everything is an object, including classes themselves. A metaclass defines how a class is created. You can use metaclasses to automatically add attributes or methods to classes, enforce coding standards, or implement design patterns. They are powerful, but also complex, and generally used when you need fine-grained control over class creation.
Okay, metaclasses sound like something to explore after mastering decorators and generators. Now let's talk about data structures and algorithms. How important are they in advanced Python programming?
Data structures and algorithms are fundamental. Understanding them allows you to choose the right tools for the job and write efficient code. For example, using a dictionary for quick lookups, or a set for checking membership. Knowing when to use different sorting algorithms can significantly impact performance.
Could you give us a real-world example of how advanced Python is used?
Sure, consider building a web application using frameworks like Django or Flask. These frameworks extensively use advanced Python concepts like decorators for routing, context managers for database connections, and metaclasses for defining models. Or in data science libraries like